other stock on our radar is RailTel. It's won a near 300 crore order coming in from the Tamil Nadu State Marketing Corporation. The company, which is sitting on an order book of over 4,500 crores, has seen strong revenue growth, although margins are at multi-quarter lows. So to talk about this and the outlook for the business, we are joined by Sanjai Kumar, who's the chairman and managing director of the company. Thanks a lot, Mr. Sanjai Kumar, for joining in. Just looking at your numbers, this order that has come in, it's the first order win in this quarter so far. You had guided for around 1,500 crores worth order wins in FY24. Do you hold on to that?
So let me first correct that this is a big order this quarter, but there were other orders also we won this quarter, like we won Bihar State Electronic Development Corporation also, which was around 65 crore. Then there was another one which we got from NIC for IBFRT for their connectivity and all. So we have actually accrued a total sum of around 288 crore of orders we have pegged this quarter. So this is one. And I would say that this order...
Sir, could you repeat that? Sir, could you repeat that number? What is the total order wins in the quarter? Sorry, we missed that.
488 crore.
Got it.
This quarter.
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah. Please go ahead. Yeah.
And order being very special for us because all the states are now getting this kind of e-governance applications implemented in their states for basically control on the movement of liquor. And in Tamil Nadu, this has been this is very important for us because then based on this experience, we can get few more orders in future as well.
Okay, all right. Are you on track, sir, to achieve these telecom services revenue guidance? I think you had given of around 13 to 1400 crores for FY24, and also projects revenue of close to around 1500 crores. Is that still on? Do you want to reiterate that guidance or revise it upwards?
Yes. 1300 minimum we should be able to achieve in telcos, and close to 1500 from projects. That is we are on track.
All right. And do we see margins improving? I mean, the last quarter margins were, impacted severely. A lot of it was also on account of one-offs. But where do we see margins settling in both your segments?
So if we talk of projects business, we will be hovering around 5 to 6% of margin. Should be. Maybe if we improve also. But I would say, again, I've been saying this repeatedly, that margins per se in terms of percentage may not be visible exceptionally well. But if you look at the absolute growth in EBITDA or EBIT numbers or in PAT numbers, we are expecting that we will certainly bring value to the shareholders.
So in comparison to last year, what will the absolute EBITDA growth be then?
We should have around 20% of EBITDA growth.
And this is on revenue growth of what, sir?
Say about 25%.
25% revenue growth and 20% EBITDA growth. So we could see some... Okay, so we could see some sort of margin compression. But nevertheless, 20% is what we take on board. I remember you were having this conversation with the government with regards to the royalty that you pay on the orders that you win from railways. Has there been any, outcome of that so far?
See, these things will take time. See, because railways, our right of way along the railways is not the only one asset or only the one privilege we are getting. There are other privileges also we get. So this will take some time. Still not yet finalized.
Okay, all right. What about the pipeline? Have you participated in other tenders, both in telecom and non-telecom? And if you could give us a rough quantum of, what all are you gunning for?
See, we cannot share the tenders specifically where we are participating or where the bids are in pipeline. But yes, the pipeline bids in pipeline would be around 1,000 crore, and we will be trying to win or lose, means to win two of them, depending upon the factors like last mile connectivity, then margins, volume of the of the bid value basically. So we are sure that this year we should be having around 1,500 or so numbers as new orders.
Okay, 1,500 crores as new orders. And finally, from a strategy standpoint, what do you think this ratio between telecom and projects would be going forward? And as a proportion of revenue for Indian Railways, which is currently around 13-14%, where do you think this will settle?
I think this should be somewhere around this number only, because revenue from other sectors is increasing. So certainly this number in terms of percentage is not likely to grow.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Mr. Kumar, for joining in and giving us those details. 25% revenue growth, 20% EBITDA margin growth. Confident of getting 1,500 crore worth orders this year, and confident of clocking 1,400 to 1,500 crore revenue in your telecom business as well, with no further decline or no further increase in revenue coming in from the railways in terms of an overall contribution, because other sectors doing well for you as well. Take a short break, come back, get you more on the markets and individual stocks on the other side.